Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about the classic fairy tale, Cinderella. We'll explore the story of a downtrodden girl with a heart of gold who is transformed by the power of magic, friendship, and courage into an independent and strong woman. Cinderella was a young girl who lived with her stepmother and two stepsisters. She was treated very badly by them and had to do all of their housework, while her stepfamily spent their days walking around in their finery. One day, the entire kingdom was invited to the prince's ball. However, Cinderella's stepfamily refused to let her go, believing she was not good enough to attend. Upon hearing this, Cinderella felt discouraged and began to cry. Just then, her fairy godmother appeared and she offered to help her. She waved her wand and Cinderella's rags turned into a beautiful gown. With a glass slipper, Cinderella was ready to go to the ball. At the ball, Cinderella danced with the prince and the two of them instantly fell in love. As midnight came, Cinderella left the ball, forgetting her glass slipper. The prince went searching for the owner of the glass slipper, and eventually, he arrived at Cinderella's home. He tried on the slipper, and it fit perfectly, thus proving that Cinderella was the one he had been looking for. And so, Cinderella and the prince were married, and they lived happily ever after. This is the classic Cinderella story, a story of hope, hard work, loyalty, and never giving up. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon and don't miss any of my videos.